While government-issued types of money are losing their sheen in the recessionary period of world economies, digital currencies are picking up speed. One of the delegated wonders among crypto resources is Ethereum, highlighted as ETH, which is the local digital currency in view of the stage. With decentralized finance turning into all the rage, calculations and science-upheld cryptographic forms of money appear to be administering the blockchain world. They highlight savvy contract usefulness as well as proposition a safe and profoundly secure arrangement of exchanges and exchanging with the elaborate go-betweens. A wonder creation by Vitalik Buterin, Ethereum is a high-level blockchain project and is generally well known among cryptographic money fans, primarily because of its nodal position in the realm of digital currencies. The Ethereum Structure. Presently, most tasks depend on Ethereum as a public blockchain network, which awards admittance to a bigger crowd of clients, cash, hubs, and markets. In any case, there are much of the time motivations to favor a consortium or private blockchain. For instance, organizations in the financial area are viewing at Ethereum as a stage for their private blockchains. Indeed, even Ethereum has been used for some underlying coin offering occasions. Public blockchains, completely decentralized and got utilizing verification of work or confirmation of stake calculation, following a typical rule that how much somebody can impact the agreement system is corresponding to the quantity of financial assets they can bring to bear. Consortium blockchains. These are to some extent decentralized where a bunch of hubs controls the cycle. For instance, one could envision a consortium of 15 monetary establishments, every one of which works a hub and of which 10 should sign each block for the block to be substantial. Private blockchains. A private blockchain is unified to one association for composing consents. Peru's authorizations might be public or confined to an inconsistent degree. Possible applications incorporate data set administration, examining, and so forth, inward to a solitary organization. So broad comprehensibility may not be important as a rule. However, open auditability is wanted in different cases. Organizations can construct Ethereum-based items utilizing its fitting and play include. They can plug the private blockchain into the public mainnet. The interoperability of the Ethereum include keeps blockchains refreshed. It gives them worldwide extension, ceaseless turns of events and redesigns, and an immense organization of clients and dApps for the items. Endeavor Ethereum alludes to a characterized set of rules and specialized determinations to speed up blockchain innovation reception among undertaking. The particulars permit organizations to use both Ethereum-based private chains and the public mainnet. The Endeavor Ethereum detail is kept up with by the Venture Ethereum Partnership, an enrollment of blockchain and occupant organizations around the world. Starting from the start of this current year, ETH has checked gigantic unpredictability in its value activity, and, surprisingly, in the continuous month. Throughout recent weeks, the cost of Ethereum exchanged between the scope of $2,500 and $1,200. Right now, the ETH cost is exchanging around $1,293.55, and in light of the cost history, keeping on growing is normal. In the earlier year, Ethereum's cost brought financial backers monstrous returns before the beginning of the new year. According to long-haul Ethereum cost expectations, ETH is a particularly incredible resource for venture contrasted with Bitcoin and for merchants who can exploit these short and long-haul cost swings. In light of our Ethereum cost expectations, a drawn-out increment is normal, and the cost for 2027 might be $6,387.05. With a 5-year speculation, the income is supposed to be around plus 386.49 according to our ETH coin cost conjecture. Toward the finish of 2022, the cost of ETH may be $1,499. The greatest cost might be $1,604 and the base cost might be $1,292. The typical incentive for December 2022 will be around $1,604. According to our Ethereum cost estimate, the cost toward the finish of December 2023 may be around $1,292. When 2024 methodologies, we can see ETH resting at the sign of $4,414.76 according to our ETH cost expectation. In this way, in the event that you exchange Ethereum at the ongoing value, it will provide you with a ton of profits over the long haul. Ethereum Value Forecast 2022. The year 2022 has not been truly really great for Ethereum and most other digital currencies also. The coin began the year at $3,722, however, is presently exchanging at $1,322.80, which is somewhere near over 60%. Since May, the whole crypto market has been confronting a negative opinion, prompting a critical drop in cost for every one of the resources. According to the ongoing cost energy, Ethereum could cross $1,850 toward the finish of 2022, having seen an enormous dApp reception that drove the value activity of ETH crypto. Likewise, ETH 2.0 has been sent off, which is a further expansion of ETH. According to our estimates, this might push the organization's adaptability to 1 exchanges each second, moving the blockchain from energy-escalated POW to POS. The organization is really well known, with various undertakings based on it. Ethereum value conjectures for October 2022. In light of the specialized examination, value variances may not be exceptionally high during the year-end for Ethereum digital money. The token might exchange at a typical cost of $1,450 for the period of October, while the base and most extreme costs of ETH are expected to be $1,348 and $1,552. Ethereum value expectations for November 2022. Taking a gander at the Ethereum cost expectation graph and specialized investigation, it tends to be guessed that the most extreme cost might be around $1,750. Simultaneously, the cost investigation likewise proposes that the base and normal qualities might be $1,550 and $1,650. Ethereum conjecture for December 2022. Before the year's over 2022, the token could have arrived at the most extreme worth of $1,850. According to our ETH cost expectation for 2022, the normal and least costs might be $1,750 and $1,650 separately. Ethereum value forecast 2023. Taking a gander at the exhibition of ETH till now, the greatest and least qualities for the year 2023 are gauged to be around $1,987 and $2,375 separately. In examination, the typical worth might be somewhere near $2,181. Ethereum value expectation 2024. In the year 2024, the ETH coin might exchange between $2,389 to $2,809, where the previous is the least conceivable cost while the last option is the most elevated conceivable cost. Simultaneously, the typical symbolic cost might be $2,599. Ethereum value forecast 2025. According to the most recent news refreshes, specialized updates, and ETH cost forecast 2025, we anticipate numerous organizations and combinations soon. This could help the cost of ETH in the crypto market, and it will be all that speculation as the cost can stretch around $2,987. According to our Ethereum cost expectation for 2025, on the off chance that the cost faces an inversion, it could exchange around its vital help of $2,542. Ethereum value expectation 2026. Continuously 2026, it would have been quite a while since the market decline, and most cryptos would have tracked down a steady spot for themselves. At this point, the cost of ETH could enlist a huge recuperation. The greatest cost is supposed to be around $3,145 with a base cost of $2,741 in view of the Ethereum conjecture. The typical cost for the year might be around $2,943. ETH coin value expectation 2027. In light of the Ethereum estimate, the coin might have a likely high and possible low of